May profits be upon you. Hey, hey, hey. Wait until Wednesday. You heard me? Wait until Wednesday. We're going to take a look at the NZDUSD, all right, New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. But I want you to wait until Wednesday because that's when the Fed is going to likely raise interest rates. Okay, I want you to be patient with this setup because if you've been watching my videos, last week, I put out two videos for Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar. And I said, this might be a good time to look for shorts as it entered into this zone of supply, right? When it hit the zone, I was like, start looking for shorts. And I was on the 15-minute. I mentioned to go to the 15-minute and we start looking for the normal setups, right? And I gave it to you really easy, like I do in every video. Boom, boom, break, then down, right? Price started giving chops, started giving chops, and on the lower time frames, this started to look good, and it gave a nice break of structure to the downside. I'm sure some of you guys took this thing and made some good profits. Let me know and give me something in the feedback. Give me some feedback in the comment section and let me know, right? Then it came back up here, gave us some more chop, testing these the levels of supply. I thought if it respects that high there, that we should be looking for shorts. Sure enough, all right, price broke that low, came down, revisited. This was the short. Lovely drop. What is this, about 60 pips or something like that there, or maybe 70? I don't know. Let me see. From up there, that's about 50 pips. That's okay. All right, an Aussie dollar, I believe, is the one that dropped a little harder for 70 pips. I get the numbers mixed up sometimes. In either case, there was two opportunities here, but we had to be patient. We had to be more patient with this because it did come back up, and that threat was always there. All right, so we're going back to the 4-hour now, right? I'm still looking to take a short in this market. All right, I'm telling you to wait till Wednesday because the US dollar is going to have that FOMC, and I'm thinking that price may come up here to this area where it is where we have supply. All right, and maybe we might see some bearish price action up here if we get the push higher, the pullback, a higher high, a low that breaks the low of the pullback. All right, and a return to impulse. If we get that, great. I'm in it, right? But here's the deal: you got to be patient with this. I'm asking you to wait till Wednesday, because what we might see up until that time is price pulling back, positioning itself to get a very nice discount price for that short. It may go past this high. It may take this high out, all right, to fill this fair value gap here. All right, take out this this high here for liquidity and give us the optimal entry for a short. All right, so I want you to be patient and let this thing cook. All right, look out for this section here, all right, because it may dither. It may consolidate and then come up here Wednesday just to drop, pull back, and give us that optimal entry here. So, hey, listen, man, just let this thing cook. All right, let this thing cook, because this is the high, right? We come down, made this low, made the lower high and the lower low. We're in this range of price, top to bottom, right? And all we want is price to give us a discount. Use your Fibonacci retracement tool from the top of the range to the bottom of the range. You want to be and get involved in a short when it's above the 50% mark, all right, when it's in premium prices. If we get all the way back here, we'll be I'll be more than happy. All right, more than happy. All right, if we get it here around the 61.8 pullback on the Fibonacci retracement, 62% pullback, that'd be great for me. You know what I mean? So we'll look at these two POIs, and by Wednesday, we'll after the news, after the announcement, that's when I think it would be the optimal time to take a trade. Don't get fooled. Don't get fooled to jumping in too early. We're gonna see the reaction in this supply, and then if it gets past this supply, then we'll look here. If it gets past that, that's your invalidation point, and you don't want to. You're going to be looking for buys because the market has reversed. You understand? This will confirm a reverse once it breaks that high. Up until this point, as long as it stays below this, we're looking for sells. We're looking for sells. You want to take a counter trend trade up? You can if you want to. I'm not doing it. All right. I will see you in the next video. Hey, listen. Smack that like button. Smack it one time for your boy. All right. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave that comment that if you like this faster, the more concise format. All right. Make sure you share with your friends. All right. Share the link with your friends and welcome them aboard the RT Money Train. Okay. I appreciate you. I really appreciate those who've been supporting me all this time, man. I really like to hear from you, and I respond to every doggone comment. So, hey, I will see you in the next video. Hey, I forgot to say, I'm sorry. Do check out the first video of this series for the outlook for May 20. What is it? The 24th or the 23rd? 23rd, yeah, the 23rd through the 27th. Make sure you check out the first one because that's when I break down US dollar. All right, I'll see you in the next video.